In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4 step by step so you can track ad performance alongside user behavior and conversions. Start by opening your GA4 dashboard and clicking the admin icon in the bottom left. In the admin panel, find the product links section and select Google Ads links, then click link to begin. Choose the Google Ads account you want to connect, making sure you have the required permissions in both platforms, otherwise the account may not appear. Next, configure the data sharing settings like enabling personalized advertising and audience sharing to improve campaign insights. Review your selections carefully, then click Submit to complete the connection. Once linked, data will start syncing, but it may take some time to fully reflect in reports. Always verify your setup to ensure accurate tracking and reporting. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.